Hello everyone, my name is Chaitali Verikar. I have done MSc and I am Assistant Professor in PSS RSN College of Arts and Science. The title of my unit is Floriculture. Module name is Trends in India, Goa, Present Scenario and Future Prospect, and module number is 5. This is the outline wherein we are going to cover introduction, then floriculture industry in India, its facts and figures, then trends in India, then Goa's present scenario and the future prospects of Goa. These are the learning outcome wherein one is going to understand about the facts, figures and trends of floriculture industry in India, summarizes the present scenario of floriculture in Goa and going to interpret on the future prospects of floriculture industry in Goa. Now starting with the introduction, like I said, global industry has elevated since past. With time, Indian floriculture market has also elevated, and in 2018 it has reached up to INR 157 billion, and further it is expected to reach or increase by 472 INR billion by 2024. These are some of the facts and figures of the floriculture industry in India. These are the area of cultivation wherein the floriculture or the flowers are cultivated in the large scale in India. That is in Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and West Bengal. Now in terms of the cultivation, in 2015 to 2016, about 249,000 hectares of area was under cultivation, which had given the production of around 1,659,000 tons of loose flowers and 484,000 tons of cut flower, that too in the same year, that is 2015 to 16. Along with that, India has always been the major export destination. In 2018 to 2019, India had exported the flowers or the floriculture plants to USA, Netherlands, UK, Germany and United Arab Emirates. With that, we had contributed around rupees 571.38 crores in 2018 to 19 in terms of the exported floriculture products. These are trends in India, that is traditional flower cultivation, like we had seen marigold, asters or cressida, which are essentially important in local market. Then high tech and protected cultivation. Now these are high tech and protected cultivation are very much important in terms of the export, because the flowers that are exported are used from this high tech or protected cultivation. There are about 110 sectors or 110 units of the export which are present in the India. So in a way, these high tech or protected cultivations are important. The next is the flower seed production, wherein the trend has shifted to providing the flower seeds around the year. The next is nursery industry, wherein one can easily go into the nursery business by exploring different areas of the floriculture. The next is the essential oil, which can be extracted from the different flowers or different flowering plants. And again same, natural dyes can be also extracted from the various plant species, which can be used in cosmetic industries, textile industries and food industries. The next is present scenario of Goa. Now Goa is bestowed with favorable climatic condition and wide array of the variety. Now here the marigold and jasmine has been a traditional flowers and they are in demand. Along with that, some of the cut flowers, the high valued cut flowers are also in demand, like for example gladiolus, gerbera, rose, orchids and anthuriums, which are highly priced at the commercial scale. In recent years, production and trade of flowers has increased in Goa. In 2018, annual flower business turnover in the state was about rupees 18 crore, which has also benefited floriculture industry in the Goa. These are the future prospects which can be implemented to increase or elevate the floriculture industry. That is availability of skilled manpower, expanding domestic market rapidly and growing awareness about the different scopes and areas of the floriculture industries. To summarize, we learned about the floriculture Indian To summarize, we learned about the Indian floriculture market, its revenue, then different area of cultivation in India, then cultivation in 2015 to 16, then the production rate of the flowers in 15 to 16, then the major export destination of India, that was in 2018 to 19, and the revenue that was taken from the 2018 to 19 exportation. Next is the trends in India, value of the traditional flower cultivation, importance of high-tech or protected cultivation, annual flower or seed production, then importance of nursery industry, essential oils and natural dyes from the flowers. Then Goa's present scenario, wherein the marigold and jasmine are traditional flowers and gerbera, gladiolus, rose are the flowers which are mostly preferred at the commercial scale. Then Goa's present scenario, wherein in 2018 around rupees 18 crore of turnover business was, then the turnover of flower business in 2018, and the future prospects wherein there is a lot of availability of the skilled manpower, expanding domestic market and growing awareness among the people. So these are the references which can be used. Thank you.